Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Here I would like to talk about 3 ways to improve and get 9 band score in IELTS, and let's get started. First one is show your vocabulary. Show your lexical resources by using synonyms of the words. Don't repeat the same sentence again and again. क्योंकि जब हम एक ही सेंटेंस बार बार रिपीट करते हैं it affect on our band scores, so don't repeat again and again words. And second one is accuracy and coherence. Be accurate with your answers. Your answer must be structured and connected with your question. Third one is stick to time. In IELTS speaking part 1, you are not supposed to answer more than 20 seconds. Stick to the time, because the examiner not give them more time to complete your answer, so stick on to the time.